Nothing like having a good father.
Adam.
Nothing like having a backbone like you. Hell, Namo. Ago Namo. Oko sisi no we ya. Oko sisi no we ya. Akwa akworo. Hey, hey.
It's okay. My great daughter. One J Mono. My one in a million daughter. Oh, look at you. When I look at you, I am satisfied that I have only you as a female. What if God had made you to be a male? You will just be my replica copy. If not for this complexion you got from your mother. My daughter, let me tell you this. My daughter, you are my life. And it is my duty as a father to protect you from any danger or harm without expecting any thank you. You are the only thing I have in this whole world. The reason I'm still alive and answering Alosi, Okosisi. So I owe you the thanks you think you owe me. Thank you so much.
I owe you.
Adam.
I appreciate you.
Adam.
Okosisi now. Thank you.
Thank you, Adam.
Thank you.
Thank you, my daughter.
Oh.
My daughter, I am grateful. The spirits had our place and shielded you from that treacherous fate. So I'm grateful to them.
I am grateful too. I am extremely grateful. And I am mostly grateful to you for going the extra mile to save your daughter.
Thank you, my daughter.
May the gods bless you.
You say...
May all the gods of our ancestors, the gods of our land, bless you. Oh! So now that this bridge, we have crossed it.
Yes.
What is the way forward? What do we do from now?
You will take the money you found and leave this village behind. Yes. Go out from here and start anew. Start a new life. Yes, thereby fulfilling your age-long dreams.
Ma'am, you mean I can leave the village now?
That will be your dreams, yes?
As I've always dreamt.
Yes.
Hi.
It is time now.
How?
Why?
Namo.
Oh.
Namo.
Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
This is because the situation now is critical and transfer is necessary. Yes. You will live for good. But there's one more thing we will do before you leave.
Now, what is it? What must be done?
We have to wait until Oloma is dead. So that people will look at it as if you left because you couldn't stand her death.
Akunna. Akunna.
I dey hear you.
They know they beg shit to smell. You better watch your words when you speak to Chief. Don't get too comfortable. Yes, I mean, don't get too comfortable. Any wrong move, you will find yourself in a world of trouble.
Well, thanks man. Thanks for the advice, okay? Look, I understand my place in Chief's life. And I also understand the importance of maintaining my respect in front of Chief. So be rest assured that I'm not going to overstep my boundary or give him any reason to doubt my loyalty, okay?
Akunna, you think you are special? No, you think you are special, don't you? Just don't forget, you are a pawn in Chief's game. Yes, and don't forget your place.
Like I said, I know my place in Chief's life, okay? And I know what I need to do at all times. I am fully committed to Chief's cause. So there's no reason for him to even doubt me in the first place.
Well, like I said, Chief trust is hard to earn. And one misstep can bring to your downfall. Always remember that.
Well, thanks, man. I guess I just have to tread carefully. Thanks for the advice once more. I appreciate it.
Good. Sapiru, no dey find black gold for night. You no see me, I no see you. Vam, vam, vam.
Okay, Mom. No problem. Yeah, she's here. It's all right. Let me hand over the phone to her. My mother wants to speak to you.
Mama, I'm fine. Don't worry. We'll come and see you. Okay, Mama. Take care.
All right, Mom. It's okay. I'll speak to you later, okay? Okay, Mom. I love you. Bye. That reminds me. Why have you not been eating or drinking since you came back from the village?
It's okay. I'm fine.
Good friends. You are very wicked, unfriendly friend. You are wolf in sheep clothing. Why are you like this?
I came to see you. I wish things could have been different. I wish you had not opened your mouth to tell the elders that you know about Chidima's death. Now look at. Ono garapata gogi.
How could you? How could you say that? You killed her. You know I'm innocent. Just look at me. How could you do this to me, Wakamba?
Oh, Loma, you know what happened now? You were there. It was just two fighting. Before you know it, I gave her a blow and she fell and hit her head on that wood. I didn't do it intentionally now. It was an accident.
Wakamba, I thought we are friends.
We are friends.
I never knew it could end like this. You know I'm innocent. Wakamba, I'm tired. I'm tired of this pain. I'm tired of this suffering. Don't do this to me, please. Please, my friend.
I wish there's something I can do. I wish there's something I can do for you, but there's nothing I can do. I just wish I can go back in time and turn the hands of the clock. But I can't.
You can. Please, tell them the truth. I don't want to die. I can't die here.
Eso?
Tell them the truth. Tell them you killed Chidinma, not me.
Uloma, my sister. I love you so much. But not this much. If I tell them the truth, we will change position. I'll be the one here, tied up to this tree, while you be the one standing here telling me sorry. Name, I like this position I'm standing in. I like this place I'm standing. I warned you. I told you not to tell them what happened. If only you had kept your mouth shut. Now look at it. Look at it. It's paining me. Oh. It's paining me because you're my only friend. Chidinma is gone. You're the only surviving friend I have. Now you're about to... There's nothing I can do, Name. I came to see you to know how you're doing. Just be strong. Be strong.
I hope you find peace.
Amen. And I hope you find peace too. Resting. No, I don't mean it that way. I mean, you should rest so you find peace. As a matter of fact, peace be upon you. Sorry.
This is so unfair.
I'm sorry.
Oh God, man, don't leave me. This is so unfair. Please tell them the truth. Oh God, man, please. Please. I'm innocent.
Wankama, you may protect yourself, but I will still reach you.
Babe, why are you lying this way?
No distractions, please. I'm praying.
Okay, I didn't notice. I'll be downstairs in the sitting room. Why this sudden change in behavior? When did she start praying?
I thought we are good friends. I never see this coming on my way.
Touch their heart so that contract will be awarded to me. In the mighty name of Jesus. Oh Lord, let me find favor. Favor in the sight of the directors and the board of trustees. As they see me, O Lord, they shall see me as the right person for that.
You're awake, baby.
Oh my Lord.
Oh yeah, come and give it to me. Fast, fast, fast.
Baby, come on. I was in the middle of prayer.
Prayers, okay. You know I like it in the mornings. I like the way you give me ta 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 ta. Oh yeah. Come and give it to me.
Honey, I told you I am fasting. Do you want to spoil my fasting?
I better talk about that story. We should spoil your fasting. Look, when I'm gone next week, you can do your fasting for 1 year if you want to. But for now, I need them. Come give them to me fast. Oh yeah. You see, I will go and give it to another person.
Maybe you should join me in doing this fasting.
You the door alone. We can go give it to another man.
Baby, you should join me to pray so I will win that contract.
Worry. The love that we share will make God to allow you win that contract. For now, come and give it to me. Fast. This place is very hot. Would you... Enter. Oh yeah. Music now. I don't high like this, so as I dey like this, na club I dey, everything just dey bump for my.
Are you kidding me? My baby.
My guy. Hey.
Wow, you look drunk.
I thought you had a drink since now. How was work today?
Work was good. You've been enjoying yourself?
Yes, so this time my enjoyment gets me. What did I do with myself?
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm back home. We now enjoy it together.
Eh?
What's up with this pigeon English? It's alright, baby. Sit, okay? Do you remember the contract I told you about?
Mm-hmm.
It has been awarded to me!
Congratulations!
Oh, thank
you see, I told you, start by praying and fasting. You give me my own share of the money.
Of course, I'll give you your cut.
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for you.
I know, right? I know, right?
Wow.
Is this what you've been drinking?
Yes.
Okay. I think I'm in the mood
You
to...
go high, yo. Hey, congratulations, my baby. I'm
Thank
so
you,
happy for you.
Thank you, my love. At least now I feel a little bit tipsy like you. Let's go upstairs and continue the royal.
That's on your brain, like just now you don't dey tipsy.
You know I don't drink much.
No, for you.
Come on, baby, let's go upstairs.
Okay.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Let's
Let's
go
go.
celebrate.
Let's go. How do you like that?
Come on, baby. That's my baby. Come on, baby.
No, no, no! No, no!
Unfriendly
No, 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 no!
Wakama! What is it? What happened?
Papa, I just had a nightmare. I just had a nightmare this afternoon.
How?
I saw Uloma and Chidinma. They were after me. They wanted to take my life.
They can't succeed. They can't succeed. Listen, dreams can be very unsettling, but we mustn't allow it to consume us. However, we must perform a spiritual ritual to change the mass spirit. Yes. No?
I trust you. Just tell me what needs to be done. As long as I'll find peace, I'll do it.
My dear daughter, I shall seek the counsel of Ezemo on how to perform the necessary rituals. And by so doing, the cord binding you and Chidinma will be broken. And such connections shall be no more. So you can find peace for your troubled soul. You know, go? But remember one thing, she can never hurt you. It's all in your mind. You know, go? There is no connection between the living and the dead. She is dead and you are alive. Please, overcome this. Huh? Are you okay now? Can you go enter your room and freshen up? We shall stop it. Your name?
You're fine. I'm tired.
I'm tired too. I need to go. I need to go. I'm tired. What is your...
Alright.
I've got food for you guys.
Akuna. Akuna, please. Why? We have been here for days. It's not about bringing us food. Just let us go now. Please.
I understand your plea. But you both need to tell me where the money is. I need to gain Chief's trust, and that is the only way I can gain his trust. If you don't tell me where the money is, I will take you both to Chief.
Akuna, why are you doing this to us now? We don't know where the money is. Please, can you untie us? We need to go. We are tired. I'm tired.
Eat your food. Shut up and eat your food. Ifeanyi, I want to see your 2 hands.
Huh?
I want to see your 2 hands.
Fine. Please sit here.
I don't want to eat. I want to go, please. I'm tired. What kind of punishment is this?
You know when we eat now, we now have strength to go. Please sit now.
Be fast with the food. I need to tie you guys back.
I want to go.
You're pointing the gun.
Shut up.
Nayokafu, please, I beg you to spare my daughter's life. Please, spare Uloma from the impending death penalty. Please, she is innocent. She was wrongfully accused. Please help me, please. Die. Biko, die, Biko.
No, Mama Uloma, please. I understand the depth of your pain. If I say I do not, then I'm a big liar. See, I am an elder of this land, and I must obey the laws of the land. Nothing more. My hands are tied. There's nothing I can do.
Nai, how can justice be so blind? My daughter's life is at stake. If my daughter's life is being taken away from me, how am I going to continue living? Who am I living for?
Mama Uloma, stop crying, please. Mama Uloma, there's nothing I can do, honestly. See, we just have to face the law as the decision has been given to us. Please. Probably we will look for another way to console ourselves, but as at now, there's nothing I can do.
Nah, please don't do this to me. Biko,
Mama Uloma,
Biko, don't do this
if it's
to me.
within my power, I will do it. It's not within my power.
Just if you're going, please, just if you're going. Nai, please, I beg you.
I'm begging you, it's not within my power.
Nai, Biko. Nai, please, Nai.
Ọkwa agwọ tụrụ mbọ fụ n'anya, ọkwa agwọ tụọ mbọ fụ n'anya. Onye kwuru ka a na-eme ụta ka ọ dị. Onye rụ ụkọ fụ n'anya. The restless spirit of Chidinma can be caged by chaining her essence to the physical realm. You can get me the sand from her grave, but listen. This ritual demands an extra measure.
We will do anything to stop the restless spirit of Chidinma from tormenting her in her dreams. Tell us what it will take, and we shall do that without hesitation.
The path ahead is filled with danger. But with persistence, there is hope. Yes, there is hope. With carefulness, one can find the solace you seek. But you must get the sand from her grave. And only you can do that. You can go.
You don't have one.
Idida bakata. Idida bakam idiga bakada baganya. Idida baka.
Mama, is this child? Mama, I'm back in. Okay. Help! Chidimoko imo. Ayimumbebo. Oh! Chidimma, is this how you left us? Chidimma, this is you now. 6 feet. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry for your loss. I can't even begin to imagine the pain you are feeling inside right now. Mama, I that I'm just an ordinary friend, although a very bosom friend to Chidimma. I couldn't bring myself to bear the pain of seeing her being buried 6 feet below the ground. We had plans. We had plans of me coming over to the city to meet her. From there, you say, all those kind of dreams. Mama, mothers are not supposed to bury their children. Look at me. Children are supposed to bury their parents. Oh, Mama, this is too sad. I can't even bear it. This is sad. I just can't take it. It's okay. Look at my daughter. Look at my daughter. This is where my only daughter is. Look at me. Look at where my Chidimma is. Ah! I will see her in my dreams. In my dreams. Oh God. Oh God. Mama, Bini, stand up. Stand up, Bini. This is not healthy. This is not healthy for you. This is not healthy. It's okay. Mama, because of the way we both feel, I came up with a solution. I am sure you still see her, Okwia. You see her in your dreams? I see her in my dreams. I see her standing there. Is she standing now? Mama, is she standing? Mama, is she standing now? Can you see her now? Okay, Mama, I have a solution. Because the same thing happening to you is happening to me. When I enter into my room, when I'm alone in my room, I feel this presence. I feel like Chidinma is sitting beside me. And then we're having a conversation. And then if I mistakenly close my eyes to sleep, the first person I see in my dream is Chidinma. We'll be walking up and down in our dream till I wake up. And Mama, it's not healthy for the two of us. It's not healthy. So I made some research. I asked questions. And then I was told there's a ritual we can actually do. I can do it. That will make her rest. Because Chidinma is not at rest. Her spirit is not at rest. Her spirit is not at peace. So we need to give her peace and rest.
You can make Chidinma rest?
Yes, it's a ritual. Very simple ritual I can do. But the thing is, for me to do the ritual, you will not be here. You will not be here. You have to go in because I don't need distraction and I need quietness and I don't need sad energy. You know you're very sad. So you have to go inside so I can do the ritual.
This is where my daughter rests. And this is where I am. I cannot leave her alone. I will be with my daughter. I can't let my Chidinma be alone.
Mama, I completely understand how you feel. I understand. If I say I don't understand, I'm lying. Chai! Oh!
Chidinma!
Mama, you see, part of the reason I came to do this is also to vindicate myself. Because you remember I told you the last conversation I had with Chidinma was an argument. And that is what Uloma is holding on to say I'm the one that killed my best friend. Meanwhile, it is her.
It's okay.
But thank God to the gods of our land, they've proven my innocence. Man, I need me prove you, Ofuma.
Don't worry, the truth will come out one day. Okay? It's alright.
It will come out.
Yes, the truth will come out.
I will respect your wish. Mama, will you sleep here?
This is where I sleep. This is where my daughter is sleeping. This is where I sleep. This is where I sleep.
Okay, Mama, but please, it's not healthy. Not to pay bani me. I hope you have eaten.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Hey!
I'll be coming to check up on you. Just try and take care of yourself. Jido nwegaka. Jido nwegaka. Mama, ngwanu na oya di o. Mama, ngwanu oya di.
Yes, sir, I have them with me. No, I'm yet to get the money. You know, I have to take it easy on them, else we lose everything. Yes, sir. You want me to do it now? Without the money? Okay, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sir.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm done with my prayers. Did you miss me?
Of course, I did. Listen, my love. I know why you've been behaving so strange since you came back from the village. I will not let it happen.
It's not what you think. I can explain.
It's okay, my love. Babe. I love you so much. And I can't live without you. You mean the whole world to me. You are my sunshine. You're the reason I smile. You're the reason I feel so complete. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Please. Will you marry me? Be my wife. Please.
Don't do this. I will not take it.
I said it. I knew it. I've been sensing it all this while. Yes, yes. There's another guy. You've been talking to another guy. I knew it.
There is nobody. Look, a lot has happened. It's very complicated. You will not understand.
Make me understand. Prove it to me, my love. Accept my proposal. Yes? Prove that I am the only man in your life. Please, my love. Please.
Chike, I love you. That is why I am here. For the time I can be with you. A day will come and I will not be here with you again.
What? No. No one is leaving. My love, it is you and I together as husband and wife in this house, okay? We will be happy. Please, baby, don't do this to me, okay? If there's anything I am not doing well, I promise I'm going to make it right. I love you, okay? Just say yes to me. Okay, please. Please, my love, please.
If you say so.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. What? Babe? Honey, what is it? Babe, what is it? What is it? You need a glass of water? You need water. Sit. Take it easy. Let me get you a glass of water. Okay? It's okay, babe. Let me get you a glass of water.
Dem na-edere ozi oge akara aka elugo maka na afị na anụ udele abụrụ anụ maka mụnwa bụ udele gba ọla fi na anụ udele bụ anụ maka na eruo ka ahụ eru udele atọtụ ya wụ ngịga maka na ajọ nkụ akpatara na ajọ ọhịa ka eji sie ya wụ udele kara aka o rukwela anụ ka ahụ eru udele ka e wee tọtụzie ya wụ ngịga ka ihe mewezie maka na atụrụ na-asọ mpi ekwughị ebe ụzọ sie ya ike. Put the sand, open it and pour it inside. Ndị ichie ma nkwụ ndị na-edere ozi oruola. This sand now bears the mark of our intentions. The journey ahead will not be easy, but with the guidance of the Spirit, we shall prevail. It is done.
Yes.
The gods of our forefathers, I present this to you. You can go.
Hey? Honey? Honey? I brought the water. Babe, where are you? My love, where are you? Did she go upstairs? Babe? Honey? Baby? Honey, where are you? Babe? Ah, I guess you're here. Babe? Honey, can you hear me? I got the water you asked for. Babe? Honey? What? Babe? Where could she be? Honey? Oh, let me check downstairs. In the kitchen. Babe? Babe? Honey? Where did she go to? Just now. I got you. You're playing hide and seek with me, right? I know you're right there behind the couch. You're trying to play hide and seek with me, right? Yeah. She's not there. What's going on? Honey? Babe? She's not upstairs. She's not in the kitchen. She's not in the bathroom. Nowhere to be found. She's downstairs. Probably behind the staircase. Let's go. Babe? Honey? I know you're downstairs. Amunike!
Papa?
Come here.
Okay, good afternoon.
Yeah. Did you see my woman?
No, sir.
What? You mean my woman did not come out here?
No, sir. I never see him today.
Go check backyard.
Okay, sir.
Hurry up. Check everywhere at the backyard. Amunike! Is she there?
Oga, she not there. Madam not there back.
There's no one at the backyard?
No, sir. Nobody is there.
What's going on? Wait, Amunike. Are you sure you did not leave your post earlier on?
Oga, I never come on here since so. Now there I do since morning.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Go. Just go. Get up.
Okay, sir.
Where could she be? Where could she be? I've searched the whole house. Backyard everywhere. What's going on? She's not downstairs. She's not downstairs. What sort of prank is this?
Dear Chike, I'm sorry. A lot of things changed. Please, go to my village. Umo. Ask of late Mr. Pius after a primary school. My mother will explain to you. I will see you when you open the post.
Now they have killed me. I am no more with you.
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? Huh? I hope it's not what my mind is telling me. Could it be that Chidima has been seeing another man? What's the meaning of this message?
You are very wicked, unfriendly friend.
Uloma, it's me. I'm here. Mama, huh? Why did you come?
Mama, please leave. I don't want them to see you.
I don't care. See me. Let them see me. I cannot allow my only child to die of a crime she did not commit. It's food.
Mama, Kama was here. That girl is evil. I can't believe she survived of a crime she committed. Mama, she killed Chidima. I'm sure she and her father must have done something.
I knew it.
Mama, I don't want to die here too.
Alozie is a bad person. You will not die. You cannot die.
Chidima appeared to me and said that Makama did something that will make her not get close to her. Mama, please, tell Chidima's mother to be careful. To be careful of Makama. She might be up to something.
I will do that. But first, you have to eat.
Mama, are you sure nobody followed you here?
No.
Nobody saw you. Mama, I don't want to die.
You will not die. You cannot die.
I did not do anything. I didn't kill Chidima.
No, just eat food. No. Easy. No. No, eat, my daughter. Eat.
I'm happy we have finally defeated her. She must never trouble us again.
Papa, I think I have to go to the city today.
I told you to wait until after Uloma's execution.
Papa, I don't think I can stand it. I can't stand her dying for what I know I did. It's too much.
I want you to be strong. Your father is a strong man, as you can see. Huh? You are my daughter, my true daughter. You have to be strong.
Yeah, boy, he's strong. This is not a strong thing matter. It's a hard thing to do. I have conscience, and that conscience is flogging me.
You remember that you are a daughter of a tiger.
Echem no lion, you change any to tiger.
Tiger. Gaba tiger.
Amunike. Come here.
Okay. You don't see him?
See him.
Huh? Are you telling me that you were actually in your duty post and you didn't notice when someone left this compound?
Okay, no face. Now here I do. I know come out. Since morning, now here I do.
Shh. Cut the crap. Go get the gate open.
Get out. What am I paying you for? How can someone leave the compound and you don't know?
Children, I have cola in this house. I can proudly say I have cola. I didn't one. I am not here for cola. I am here to get it. Nothing more. So I was asking this question. Go ahead if you say so. Are you absolutely sure of your daughter's innocence over the allegation all Roma placed on her? When you are sounding, are you actually insinuating that I am doubting the judgment of the law of themselves? Wait, because they see all things they don't do to the divine vision, right? If I was in actually, even Abaraka, they do the why are you? Ichialosi. I only come here to ask this question for clarity purpose. Adia mama, both of us cannot doubt the judgment of the gods, you know. But we must be fair to all parties involved, knowing fully well the condition and the situation of things now. Well, joke. Despite all odds, the gods have spoken. My daughter is innocent, and I trust in their divine decree. She has been declared innocent, and she's innocent. There is nothing anyone can do to change their mind, because they know all things and they see us the way we are. Why are you actually insinuating that my daughter is fault? She is innocent. The God says she's innocent. And the divine wisdom has prevailed. She's been set free. Let me comment that I don't like this approach at all. Stop accusing my daughter of what she doesn't know about. She's a very nice girl. She has no doubt in her, no spot in her. And I know that because also has been doing that. What are we human beings saying? We're just humans. Let's allow the God to take it. I trust in the judgment. Let me go and find the God. No, don't go there.
Please. You people should leave me alone. They should leave me alone. They killed my daughter, yet they are denying it. God.
Please. My daughter was sure. She didn't do it, but she was there when Wakama hit your daughter. How she escaped the oath is what I don't know, but all I know is that Alozie is a bad man. And he might have done something. Please, Machidemma, Biko, please.
Your daughter and Wakama were jealous of my daughter. They have succeeded in killing her. Let them go ahead and marry the man that wanted to marry her. Please, Majidima, Biko, I am sorry. All I'm promising you is that if my daughter survives this, she will take care of you. She will help you. She will never abandon you. She will do everything to be a good daughter to you. Biko. I know how you feel. Please.
Don't say you know how I feel. Because you don't know how I feel. You don't know how I feel because you have not lost your only daughter. You have not lost your only child. You don't know how I feel. Just leave my house. Leave me. Leave my house.
Please.
Welcome.
Yeah, Papa.
That is fire on the mountain. Wrong. Like I said, the situation is critical. Transfer is necessary. We must act swiftly this time around. You have to relocate to the city. You must leave this village. Now, the others are beginning to prognose onto our actions. So the only way we can protect you is by sending you away from here. You will leave as quickly as possible.
But Papa, if I leave the village, how about Uloma's spirit when she finally dies? Will it haunt me?
Uloma's spirit will find solace with time. But this time, we must prioritize your safety. You will have to leave. And the moment you are far away from here, we will find alternative ways of silencing the spirit, making sure it doesn't haunt you. You know, go?
Okay.
Anya na auntie, adiafu. You know, go one.
Yes, Papa, I understand you. I completely understand. I will do as you've said. Everything you've said, I will do exactly like that.
That's my daughter.
I will leave the village quietly and swiftly.
Good.
Carrying our secret with me. I also want you to know that my dedication to making sure that Chidima's spirit finds peace remains unwavering.
Noted, my daughter.
She needs to rest.
Noted. Just go and get prepared. Quickly. Adam, don't go see. Hey!
Akonna, listen. We told you we don't have the money. Akonna, why are you still keeping us here for this? Okay, now listen. If you think we will tell outsiders what happened here, me and my brother promise not to tell anyone what happened here. It's a promise, please. I'm tired. Okay?
Akonna, please, I beg you in the name of God, you don't need to do this. If you do this, you will have it in your conscience forever.
Yes.
Honestly, and I promise you, you can't live with it. Please, untie us, let us go.
Untie us, please.
We've suffered enough.
Alright, listen up. I need to tell you guys something. But I need you guys to trust me. I know it might seem that I work for Chief, but I do not work for Chief. It is a disguise. Listen up, guys. I am a police detective.
What?
Yes. Akonna, so you are a detective?
Yes, I am.
Look, this is my ID card.
Lies. If I knew. Lies. Lies. If you're a detective, why did you kidnap us and bring us here against our will? You don't even need to do that.
Is it okay for a detective to illegally detain us here? Is it a police station or what?
I know it is illegal, but I had to do what I had to do in order to prove to Chief that I'm loyal to him. I needed to gain his trust. Listen, we've been trying so hard for so many years to bring Chief down, but to no avail. That is why I'm here. To gather enough evidence to put him behind bars. And I need you guys to help me. I need information. I need evidence.
No. If you're a detective, won't a detective know that we are victims too? Won't you? Are you not supposed to even go look for those that, or the person that robbed me? You left the robber and caught the person they robbed.
Assuming this is true, Akona, how do you intend to achieve this? We are of no help. As a matter of fact, we're on the run. And you, Akuna, could not save us. You could not save us. If you're looking for a detective to bring Chief down, that means you don't have anything on him now?
I know, and that is why I needed you guys. I thought I could get enough information. I thought I should get enough evidence from you guys. Look, this case is very crucial. The last detective that was sent on a mission like this ended up dead in a forest. I've been nice to you guys. I only kidnapped you guys like you said. But it was for a purpose. I didn't beat you guys. I did not hurt you guys. I only tried to get information from you guys. I need your cooperation now. Please, I don't want you guys to jeopardize this mission.
Akuna, why are you saying all these things? You're telling us about you being a detective. Yes, you're keeping us here. Untie us first. You are talking about trust. You want us to trust you. Yes, you're keeping us here. What is all this? Listen to you, Guinea.
Listen to me. You guys were languishing outside. You both could have been dead if it was Chief's boys that caught you guys.
Is it not better? You're tying us here and we are weak. You're giving us small food and you're blaming us.
Shut up! For your information, Chief ordered me to kill you both of you. Yes. And that is why I'm telling you guys this. I need your cooperation. You need to tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth. Do you know who took this money from you?
We don't know, Akuna. We are innocent now. Please untie us, please. Untie us.
Akuna, you're killing us slowly. Akuna, please now untie us, Biko. We've told you all we know, because you untie us. Akuna.
Wakama. Now I am free from Chidema's stupid ghost and Oloma's cutie words. And once she's dead, my father will chain her just like he did Chidema, and I will leave this dirty village to the city. Wakama. Who knew life can be this easy? Who knew life can be this beautiful? This is what I deserve. This is exactly the life I deserve. And I am going to enjoy it. I will enjoy every bit of it. Where is Chidema now? Where is Chidema now? That one that will be bragging up and down. Bragging about how she's living in the city. How she's this, how she's that. Where are you now, Chidema? Come and brag, let me see. You think it's about who laughs first? My darling, it's about who laughs last and laughs the best. And that is Wakama, the winner. Wakama, you're a winner.
Girls, once I get married, I'm going to bring you girls to the city. You come and work in the city. My boyfriend owns companies. In fact, he's an estate mogul. All right? He has promised to get me a brand new car. Soon as your girl is going to be cruising on a gang car.
Chidema, Biko, please, let's talk about something else. Because since you came back here, it's been your boyfriend this, your boyfriend that, your boyfriend this. talking through your nose. As you base sitting, ya change kosi ekoku. Biko. Let's say something else.
Okay, ma, what is it now? Calm
What
down.
do you mean?
Don't you want to enter the city?
You can no give it. Get to the city. As if going to the city is going to heaven. My dear, once you get to AK, after AK here, enter bus, it will take you to the city. Anybody can go to the city. Anybody can go to the city and meet a fine boy. And as for that boyfriend that she's describing, they don't exist, auntie. It's either that boyfriend is a Yahoo boy or is a ritualist. So tell us which one he's doing. And if he's a ritualist, Nekwegi, he will use you.
You are mad. You are raving mad. You are stupid. What is wrong with you? It's your boyfriend that's a ritualist. Look at this one. Because your boyfriend is a common bricklayer, that's why you're jealous of my own. I don't blame you. Anum Pama.
Chidima, I don't understand why you are insulting me. Because I don't understand where this insult. I don't understand where this insult is coming from. Did I say anything bad? I only said you should be careful. Maybe you're dating a ritualist and you don't know. Now you are insulting me because you have a boyfriend. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Wakama, let me tell you, this is not fair. I must tell you, what you just said now is not good. How can you be calling somebody's boyfriend a ritualist? Is it fair? Don't be a joy killer. It says you don't have a good boyfriend. Let's go to the city so that you can get a good city boyfriend. They can take care of you. Look at her now, she's looking very fine.
Supporters club, village branch. Respect you, Nwegi.
More.
Yes, respect yourself because I don't understand what I have done wrong. Have I said anything wrong?
Uloma, leave this thing. You know, the other time I visited, I had issues with this girl. Now I'm having issues with her again. I'll try as much as possible to avoid her. Don't worry. Just leave her.
But you're looking very fine.
Chidima Biko, anyway.
This kind of jealousy.
You avoiding me now, how will it affect my life? Chidima, if you avoid me, what will happen to me? If you start avoiding me, I will die up here. Auntie, please avoid me. Avoid me. If the only conversation we ever have when I'm with you is about your boyfriend, you go avoid
But not forever. You can kill, you can hide, you can do anything in this life, but not forever. A boss is a gun, a bar is a gun. A boss is a gun, a bar is a gun. You can kill, you can hide, you can do anything in this life. But not forever. You can kill, you can hide, you can do anything in this life, but not forever. You cannot change the hand of time. It's too late.
Boy. Onye no ebe a? Boy. Dalu no. Mama, good day. Kelengio.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you looking for?
Is this late Mr. Pius Okoli's house?
Yes.
Oh, wow, wonderful. My name is Chike. I am Chidima's fiancé.
God, why me? God, why me?
Mama Ogini.
Hey!
Why are you crying? Mama? What is it? Huh? Is there any problem?
Hey! Oh, Lisa, have you seen what death has done to me?
Death?
You remember?
Mama.
Hey!
Which death?
My only daughter. My Chidima. Hi.
Mama, I'm not understanding anything. What's going on? Why are you crying? Mama, what are you talking about? Chidima in question left my house this morning. And guess what, Mama? I even engaged her. And she accepted. Then she dropped a message, asked me to come here, you know, to meet her mother so that you can explain further on how to go about things. And that is why I have come.
You engaged Chidima?
Yes, and she accepted, Mama. It's a good news. It's cause for celebration. And not
natural. Wait. This Chidima you're talking about, do you have her picture?
Of course, Mama, I do.
Pico, can I see it? Can I see her picture?
Okay. Yes. I do.
God.
1 minute. Here's her picture, Mama.
Hi! Oh, what Chidima one? She's my daughter. Hi!
Mama! Bam.
Hi!
Mama, look at her again. Let me zoom her face closely now.
I know, she's my daughter. Hi! You've engaged a ghost.
What?
Chidima was buried yesterday.
Wait. Mama, is this a joke?
No, come, follow me.
Mama?
Hi, follow me. Come.
Hey, Mama.
Mama, you sure? Mama, look at this picture again. Look at her again. Action for you.
Welcome back to life.
What am I doing here?
My son, this is where Chidima was buried. So you have been living with a ghost?
No.
Chidima died a day after she came into this village.
No. This is not real. This is not real. Who did this? Who is behind this? Why? Why would someone do this to her?
Her 2 girlfriends killed her.
What?
They are still denying it. I'm a widow now. I don't have anybody to speak for me. Oh, we lied to you.
Mama, are you saying I proposed to a ghost? Hey!
My daughter loves you so much. That is why she came back to you. In the city. She loves you so much. God.
My love. My word. I love you so much. I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
I will not let this slide. Whoever that is behind this will not go scot-free.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Can I see you? Mama, I will be going back to the city. But I will return. Everyone that is behind Chidima's death will not go unpunished. I want you to do me one favor by the time I return. Please, take me to the houses of everyone that is behind Chidima's death. Because none of them will go scot-free.
Okay, my son. Just take it easy. Okay? You know, go.
Mama, take this. Take it.
Thank you, my son.
I'll be back, Mama. I will be back.
Okay.
Very soon.
Okay. Thank you, my son.
See you soon, Mama.
Okay. Bye-bye, yo. Hey! Chidima, why do this to this young man? Eh? How did I Hey! Hey, whoa,
Guys, we need to find a way to get Nwakama to confess. I mean, I can't seem to shake off the fact that she might be involved with Chief in one way or the other. If not, how was she able to be in the position of such an amount of money?
Akona, you're right. Because I cannot understand how Nwakama will be in possession of the exact amount. I mean, it's crazy. We need to confront her and make her tell us the exact truth. She needs to tell us the truth.
Okay. But how do we confront her without being offensive? Or alerting Chief? See guys, we need to be very careful not to hurt her. Yes. We need to be sure of what we are doing.
Ifeanyi, we are not going to hurt her. This is what I think we should do. I think we should trail her, then gather more evidences against her. When we've gotten enough evidence, we link it up with Chief, and then we nail her. That's simple.
That's a very good plan, bro. That's a very, very good plan. I mean, we need to gather evidence quietly. Once we have gathered enough evidence, we'll present them to her. By then, she would have no choice than to tell us the truth and clear every doubt.
Exactly. Exactly my point.
Adam. Wakama. 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 Waka. Wakama. Adamu. Wakama. Waka. Hey. This is not fair. I told her to wait till I'm coming back. When must she have gone to now? Huh?
What do I do again? Very embarrassing. And this man said that she must take it now before it expires. Hey, what a rap to come. Where do I look for her? Waka!
Fine. What's on your mind?
I'm thinking about life and the problem it throws to us.
Be particular about what you're saying. I mean, we have a lot on our plate right now. Which one exactly?
I know we promised Akonna to help him put Chief in jail. But Nwakama is involved.
You know, I thought about that too. But we need to reconsider. Alright? I know Nwakama is related to us and it's all pain seeing her in this condition. But then we need to help Akonna solve this case. I mean, we are all he has right now. He believes and trusts in us to help him solve this case. And we agreed. So please, we need to give him more time. He's risking his life to solve this case. So let's wait a little bit longer.
Longer, you said?
Of course.
Remember, if Nwakama leaves this place, she's running back to her father. And you know, we don't need anybody's problem, especially our uncle.
Truth be told, you're not any more scared than I am. Yes, Ifeanyi, I am terrified. But the thing is, we cannot release Nwakama like that. You know, we've come a long way. We cannot just let her go. She's here with us now. Let's keep her until we finish solving this case so it doesn't put the investigation on jeopardy. Please.
Remember, our aim is to get this money and return it back to Chief. Now we have the money. Why can't we return it back to Chief and free ourselves?
Ifeanyi, see, listen to me. Do you think Chief wants your money? You think it's the money that Chief is after, right? So you think if you just take the money and give it to Chief, he'll just let you guys go? Okay, come to think of it. What if Nwakama is working with Chief and the boys that took the money from you?
Oh.
What does that tell you? That Chief is not after the money. Chief is after your life.
The charm has expired. And the spirit of the girl can come back.
Hey! The worst is that I don't even know where she is now. I have been looking for her since yesterday.
You better look for her. Both of you should leave this village immediately before she comes.
Okay.
I swear, I don't know anything about the money. I don't even know if it's Nigerian money or foreign money. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know,
I don't know anything about it. If I don't know who gave you this information. No, it's wrong information. It's wrong information.
Since you don't want to confess, that means you're useless to me. It's better I just waste you.
Wait. I took it. I took the 8 million naira. I took it. I gave to the man. I took it. I quit it. I gave to the man. I took it because don't give me. Don't give me. I took it. I gave to the man. I took the money.
Nwakama. You did what?
you killed Chidima and took the money.
Hey!
Jesus. Nwakama.
Mama, are you sure nobody will see me?
No.
No. You cannot catch us. Oh, Mama, I'm thinking, let's go home so that I can take my bath first.
Take what? When you reach my village, you will take your bath there.
The village?
Yes.
Mama, no, let's go to theirs. Let me take my... Let's go. Let's go. Mama, I'm scared though.
Don't worry.
Hey. Let's wait till the night to go shop.
Every day by day, you are looking for who to be for. But one day, monkey go come again.
Stop! I say stop! I say she stop beating her. Why was it?
Akuna! Stop! Hey, you stop! What's the matter with you? Akuna!
No. What's going on here? Tell him what you told us. Speak.
Yes.
I said speak!
Oh, yes, I killed Chidima. I killed Chidima because of the 8 million naira.
What did you just say now?
I didn't do it intentionally. It was a mistake. I can explain.
Which kind of mistake? Killer.
Okay. No, don't touch her. Don't touch her. You people should let her be. I don't believe what he just told us, but I want us to take her to the father and let her confess this before us and the father.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, go.
See, don't beat her again. Don't beat her anymore. Let's go. Easy now.
Everywhere, wicked people. Everywhere, wicked people. Wicked souls, wicked man, wicked friend, unfriendly friend. You never tire for your evil way. Every day by day, you are looking for who to live on. But one day, monkey go come again.
Nah, she's one of them. She's Oloma.
No.
Officers, arrest her. That is the murderer. Bundle her out of this place.
No, I did not do anything, no.
Madam, you are under arrest for the murder of one Miss Chidima.
No, officer.
Follow me.
No, officer, no, let me tell you what happened.
Officer,
it's one kind of my daughter is innocent. My daughter is innocent.
Your daughter is innocent.
Please help me.
Bundle her into the car.
I said leave me alone. Leave my daughter alone. Please leave my daughter alone. Wicked people,
kill, you can hide, you can do anything. Oh, in this life, but not forever. You can kill, you can hide, you can do anything. Oh,
Don't kill me, don't kill me. I will confess. I will confess. I will confess.
What's that, Lizzy? What happened?
Hey, I will confess. Please, help me and tell Ifeanyi and Emeka that I was the one that killed their father. I am sorry. My own brother.
Oh, no, was there this thing?
My own brother, I killed him.
They come.
Forgive me, please. Forgive me. Oh! Yes. Forgive me. Oh!
wicked people, wicked people.
What is it?
Chief, yes. We have to leave this village now.
Why? Didn't you see Akuna?
Chief, we have to leave this village now because Akuna is not who you think he is.
I don't understand. Explain things to me. Tell me.
Chief, you can't believe it. He was with Emeka and Ifeanyi. They were busy doing another issue in this village.
What?
Yes, they are treating another issue.
Are you kidding me? Gajanga and Bullet not back yet?
No, sir.
Okay. Wait. As soon as they come back, you go after Akona and others.
Chief, we have to leave now before the youth of this village come after us. Yes, Sapiro, they visualize tomorrow. Yes, we have to leave because I saw danger ahead. Yes, I know what I saw, Chief. I know what I saw.
Okay, in that case, I will get my bags. Meanwhile, get the car ready.
I know what I saw. Sapiro, they visualize tomorrow. I know what I saw. Danger, but...
Mama, stop crying. Okay? You see those girls? I will make sure they don't come back to this village. All of them are going to rot in jail. That I promise you. And I think you should leave this village for now. By the time I return, I will take you to the city. Okay?
My son, thank you very much. Thank you for bringing justice for my daughter, Chidimma. I don't even know how to repay you.
No, Mama. Come on. You don't have to repay me. Remember, Chidimma happens to be the love of my life. Okay? I did what I had to do. It's okay. It has not been easy. Do you know? Ever since her demise, I find it difficult to sleep at night. But hopefully I know I'll get over it. I'll get over it.
It's okay. It will be fine.
I'm begging 6,000.
Till I say you're mad at me.
Where's Chief? Hey, it's easy. What's going on here? What's going on here? Take it easy.
Bring Chief
Take
out.
it easy.
Come on.
What is going on?
I said go down.
Go down. Go down, idiot.
Move that.
Hey, take it easy. That's my chief.
No, sir.
My chief.
Are you stupid?
Move it.
What is it?
Chief, you will be asking what is it? You're telling me what is it, me, Emeka? You think we can continue running from you in this village? We will not. We are done running. Now listen. Akuna gave me the power to do what I'm doing today. Me and Ifeanyi.
Listen.
Akuna is not that puppet you think he is. Akuna is a police detective. Right now in this village, if you cross any more further, you will see Akuna with policemen waiting. Everywhere is boiling for you, Chief. You are done for.
Maka, please, we can sort this thing out. Okay? Between the two of us.
Ifeanyi. No, unya will rubbish again. Maya bottom.
Hey, Akuna. God will bless you. You see, Chief is a very terrible man. How can you be rich? Instead of using his wealth to raise his community, was using it to oppress them.
We have kept him where he belongs. Mama,
Yes.
we have been able to recover the money that led to your daughter's death. And we shared it among Emeka, Ifeanyi, and your late daughter Chidinma. This is our share.
Hey, Mbano. You people have done well, but I don't need it. What will I be doing with this money? Mbano, hold it. Just hold it. Jidie. Akuna, to me, this money is blood money. I don't need it.
Mama, it's okay. I understand how you feel. But please see this as a gift from the Nigerian police force and myself. This is what your daughter died for. And this is what I worked so hard for. I don't want you to lack anything again. Please, Mama, have this money. Use it to take care of yourself. Okay? Please. Please.
It's just because it's you. Yes, Mama. You'll be coming here every time so that if you come, I will cook for you from the morning.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. Please, stop crying, okay?
So this was the money Chidinma died for.
Mama, it's okay. Please.
This is it.
Please, stop crying. Mama, don't worry yourself. Don't worry at all.
Okay.
We have set a strong security team in this community. Nothing like this will ever happen to any youth from this village again.
Amen.
Never.
Amen.
It's okay.
Chidinma. Then look at it. Look at it.
It's okay. Stop
Okay,
crying.
I won't cry again. No. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
My spirit is restless, no peace at all. Come